This is day 4 of me being a private chef catering for 100 people.
This is exactly what they wanted and exactly what they paid for. Hot honey smoked jerk chicken, collard greens with smoked turkey legs, some fried rice, roasted pasta, smashed burgers, and then we also had some potato salad. First, I started off by cleaning and washing all of this chicken. This was like 40 pounds of chicken. Then I jerked it. Pause. Big pause, but a lot of chicken. Got the jerk marinade all over it, ready to go. And then look, we got the collard greens, a whole box, about 30 pounds of collard greens. I chopped it, washed it, cleaned it with salt and vinegar. And then look, them potatoes is boiling for that potato salad. I made sure I put chicken bouillon in that water. Make sure you put chicken bouillon when you boiling your potatoes, when you make a potato salad. Trust me, just do it. When them things got fork tender, I let them cool. And then look, I'm going to show you how I made it. I did a little bit of mayo. Well, actually a lot. I used Hellman's mayo. I also hit it with some green scallions. Hit it with some onions. I hit it with some celery. And then, I had to come through and hit it with the sweet relish. Oh, yeah. Sweet relish is it. Put a lot of sweet relish. Hit it with your Dijon mustard. And then you could also hit it with some regular mustard. That's what I did. Hit it with both. Trust me, just do it. And I hit it with some dill. You can use some fresh dill, some onion, a little bit of garlic. You also want to hit it with that smoked paprika. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Then we're going to crush up some hard-boiled eggs. Hit it with like about 5, 6 of those. This is for a large amount of people, so I think I even hit it with more than that. Now, I don't know if y'all do this, but I do. Brown sugar, yup. Brown sugar, trust me, not a lot, but just enough. Then you mix all that goodness in right there. You see that right there? Ooh, all gushy and lovely. You see that? Yeah. Now we want to make sure our potatoes is cool. Then we want to add our potatoes little by little. And we make sure we get everything. You got to hit every potato. See that right there? Ooh, wait. Like I said, you just gradually add more potatoes. And you see right there, it's already looking like money. Ooh, potato salad, yes. Taste test. And good to go. Now, for the collard greens, I'm going to hit it with 1 large onion, a little bit of butter, hit it with that turkey leg. Ooh, wait. I'm going to hit it with some onion, a little bit of chicken bouillon, some water, and then look, just hit it with a little bit of Cajun too. Complete collard green seasoning, some red pepper flakes, and some brown sugar. You got to make sure you balance that out. So taste test and make sure it's not too spicy, it's not too sweet. Then you just fill the rest up with water. And then you add them collard greens in. And ooh-wee. And these collard greens, I had them in the freezer for like 2 days. After I chopped, washed everything. That's how I prep days before my catering. So the day of when I got to cook everything is easy. Everything good to go. As y'all can see, I basically threw in the same seasonings that I threw in before I added the collard greens. And that jerk chicken, oh yeah, got that thing going. And you're just going to let these things cook for like 2 or 3 hours with the lid on simmer. And then everything should be ready to go. And I know y'all might think this is not enough food for 100 people, but listen, this is what they pay for, so they got to make it work. And they definitely did. And that jerk chicken, that hot honey smoked jerk chicken, yeah, this was it. Oh, back to the house. They had these chafers and everything already. So I just used what they had. I ain't have to bring none of that. And that's the layout. That's the spread right there. And y'all see it. My 5th catering event for 100 people by myself. See you on the next one. I'm out.